Hello students, as you know that in class 11th, the subject sociology and topic that is current time running in the class is Western sociologist. And among these Western sociologists, we are learning about a very famous sociologist and scholar Karl Marx. And in this topic, today we will start about the Karl Marx and his theory. The theory that was given and established by Karl Marx is known as theory of class struggle. And according to Marx, uh, human society has progressed through different stages. The human society is not very evenly distributed, and these are not running smoothly. According to Karl Marx, there is the conflict between the societies and the people who are living any one society, and all the time they are not agree to live it together. Sometimes there is the conflict and many disputes between the people and as well as the different societies. So Karl Marx says that the society had progressed through different stages, and these were primitive, communism, slavery, feudalism, and the capitalism. And according to Karl Marx, these stages are just coming one after next. The initial societies means when the people were just settled down, and he started the agriculture and animal domestication. I am talking about the early man's life when the initial societies or the early societies were started the agriculture and animal domestication. Then the societies were very simple, and these are called, according to the scholars, primitive societies. And then next is the communism. Communism is the society when people are living together without any discrimination and differences, and most of the resources are distributed among all the people uh, equally, and nobody is too much poor and nobody is too much rich. When people have the authorities or the ownership on the resources approximate equally, the differences are not creating too much. So this is the communism, and the next is next stage that comes after this communism is the slavery. When a group or a few people among any society become very rich and powerful, while others are just followers or the slaves of the rich persons, and then this system runs for a long time period when there is the takes place of conflict or the war or struggle between the slaves and their owners or their lords. And after a long time period, this system also take the form of feudalism. Feudalism is the system when some lords or feudal lords or the money lenders or landowners are ruling on the poor societies or poor farmers and laborers. And laborers and farmers are just below these feudal lords, and they have to follow the rules laws which are imposed by these feudal lords. In Indian societies during this 19th or early 20th century, these were called the systems like the Mahalwadi, Jamidari, and Rayatwari, when some Jamidars were ruled over the peasants and laborers, and they just give only little product or a little portion of the produced products which are produced by the farmers. And after this stage, the feudalism, next stage just come, and it is the capitalism, when some people or the rich person, big business person, invest some money and started the industries, factories, and their agencies or their own farmhouses or farmlands. and the common people, peasants or laborers or the poor citizens, they are just doing the work or job under these capitalist person, and they have to given only few wages or salaries, and this salary is very low and too much low that only the common people or these laborers can survive. After the time these capitalists started the exploitation of the poor or the peasants and farmers, and the labor who are working in these industries and in the houses of or the agencies of this capitalist, they were slowly went to the back foot, or in the current time also we are looking that the capitalist state or capitalist economic countries have the big problems for these workers. The class which are divided in this capitalist society, the first is the big business person who are called the capitalist. According to Karl Marx, these are called bourgeoisies, and while in other hand the workers or the laborers which are underprivileged and which are dependent on these industrialist or capitalist people, these are called the proletariat groups. So, in capitalist society or capitalist economy, the proletariat, or in Hindi these are called Sarvhara Varg. This Sarvhara Varg is exploited, cheated and ill treated by the capitalist, and these proletariat groups Sarvhara Varg not getting the proper facilities as well as the enough goods or services for their daily life. So at last Karl Marx says that when these exploitation or discriminatory problems will be too much oppressive, then this lower class means proletariat group Sarvhara Varg just started the conflict or revolt against the capitalist, and this can took the form of big revolution, and this revolution will give the birth of a new society that is called the socialism. And in next video we will talk about this topic again, and until I am coming and making the next video, you just continue reading the book and prepare the notes and be happy. Thank you.